Hey, so the first thing you're going to do is to make a copy of these templates. So you're going to go to File and you're going to click on Make a Copy. Now you'll have two of the designs in your folder. And so if anything ever goes wrong, you could always revert back to the original, or you can use it to do work on other brands as well. So first things we're going to do is to change the background. I'm just going to choose a random color here. Let's say I want to go with the dark color and stay with the brown. So as you can see, you have the change all button. And so every single background or block that is originally the burgundy color will change to brown if I just click this button here. And so that'll make my job easier and cut down my time. Now I'm going to change this here to another color as well. And maybe this time I want to go with a lighter brown. So once again, I'm going to change all. As you can see, change this box right here as well. So to change the business name, I'm going to click on it and type in Creatives, whoops, Boulevard. Now, as you can see, it's stretched out. So I'm going to fix that by stretching out either the left or the right side. Then I'm going to drag it into the middle. There we go. And add business name, which would be the same, Creatives Boulevard. And once again, I'm going to fix this here, stretch it out, and then center it. As you can see, a pinkish purple line comes across when it's in the center. Now, if I wanted to change this text from black to maybe a brown, I would click on this text color A here. Maybe click on the darker brown, and then I would change all my text to that color. As you can see, this text here also changed colors. Now the icons, I would like for those to match, so I would also change that to, I think I may have chosen this color here, and I'm going to change all. So as you can see, all the icons change colors, and that's how easy it is to customize these templates. Now, if I wanted to use a different font, you have the freedom to do so. You can either choose anything that is here or search out of what is provided for you through Canva. For example, let's just change it to what they call Solway. So there you go. There's a change. If you don't like it, you could always undo. And now let's scroll down. Because I made the changes to the font colors, it changed the font and the icon colors. It did all of this for me. So if I needed to change the background color, I would just select it, click this box here, and then either choose a color or choose a brand new color. So on and so forth. Now when it comes to a photo, Canva provides photos. So I'm going to choose a random photo here. All you have to do is select and drag it over. Now as you can see, this photo here has some effects. It is blurry. And Canva also offers some other options that you can use as well. Now in order to change the blur, I will go to adjust, and as you can see, the blur is on 8. If you wanted it to be clearly seen, then you would change that to 0 here. But I want it a little bit blurry so that they can focus on what I have written here. And there you have it. Now, as you can see, it's changed all the colors to the brown, which I preferred for my brand in this case. When it comes to these options here, these two boxes, let's just say I want to change it to a gray. I will do so like that. and then click on the other box. As you can see, it's a more pronounced solid line, and then I would change it that way. The same applies here with this box. I would like to keep it brown, but if I wanted to change it, I would simply click on it and then click on the color that I would prefer. Now here we have a box that is almost transparent. You change that transparency here. And so if you want it to be even more transparent, you would move it over to the left and less transparent over to the right. So I'm going to leave it a bit over here. And the same concept, if you want to change the background, just select one and drag it over. The same with these boxes in the background here. And once again, the same here. Now this is some crumpled paper. If you do not like this feature, you can simply delete it by clicking the delete button here. If not, you can keep it there. And the concepts are the same. Click on each object and go to the color box in order to change the color. And the same applies here. And once you've done it, it will save automatically. If it does not save, it will let you know that an error has occurred here in the same spot. And then you can go ahead and click download. You can download all the pages you'd like, or you can click on the specific pages that you'd like to download, click done, and then hit download, and it will appear in your file folder. And that is all. If you would like to see all of your designs at once, you would hit the grid view. And as you can see, it's loaded up, all a different color. So let's look at the original. So this is the original, and then what we quickly changed it to. And there you have it.